How y'all doing?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, today we're doing a update video on this wig from Wiggins. This is their loose deep wave hair. I've had this wig for months now and I just got to spill the tea on this hair because I know a lot of y'all have been asking. I know a lot of y'all have been watching that video or come to my channel because of that video. So let's get right into it. I have my notes right here written down, the pros and cons of this wig. So the first pro is the softness of this wig. This wig is super soft. I don't think I've really had a wig this soft in a long time, so that's definitely pro number one. Number two is the manageability. Number two is the manageability of this wig. This wig is super manageable. The only thing I really use on this hair is water or like mousse, depending on the style I'm going for. If I wanted to keep its texture in the waves, I definitely use mousse. If I just want it to be fluffy like this, I just use water. It doesn't take much to manage this hair. So that is number two. Number three is the nape of the wig doesn't tangle. Now I know that's kind of impossible. I'm gonna say it snags, but it doesn't tangle and knot up because I've had a lot of curly wigs before. Usually they knot up in the back in the nape, especially if you wear it throughout the day. The hair kind of like clumps up together, kind of like this. But all you have to do is just separate it. I haven't had any issues with like ripping knots out or cutting them out or anything like that. So that's another pro. And the other pro I have for this wig is the quality of it. It looks really, really good, especially after each wash. It just looks brand spanking new. I do have a clip showing you guys what it looks like right after that, but this hair, the quality hasn't changed in this hair. Now, let's get into the cons. This is one of the major cons and it's kind of disappointing me, but I'm gonna let y'all know that this wig sheds. I'm not even gonna lie, look. If you run your hands through it, brush it or comb it, anything like that, it's gonna shed, especially the lace. The lace, she was getting very much bald. So I have a video showing you guys how I fixed that and how I finessed it, at least for what I could. I had to cut off so much lace, like it wouldn't even fit anymore. I don't know if it'll be out before this one or after this one, but I do show you guys how I fixed that and I'm able to keep wearing the wig. Because of that, I won't be wearing this wig often. Not like I do anyway. When I wear this wig, I'll wear it days at a time and then I give it a break and then days at a time. So that's how I've been wearing this wig for the past few months. But other than that, I do have clips showing you guys how the hair lasted days at a time. I have videos and pictures of what the hair looked like over the past few months. And if you guys want to see how I initially installed this video, definitely go check that out. I'll have it in the description box below or the click cards above, so check those videos out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, ask them down below and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.